दुगना किया जाएगा। खासतौर से मछली पालन को वसअत देने के लिए खास खाका तैयार किया जाएगा। नौजवानों को रोजगार देने की ये हुकूमत पूरी कोशिश कर रही है। ये वो बातें हैं जो कि निर्मला सीतारमन ने अपने बजट वाले खिताब में कही हैं। मईशत को फ़रोग़ देने के लिए बार बार उन्होंने बात कही। जीएसटी को लागू करना एक तारीख़ी फ़ैसला रहा, ये भी बात उन्होंने कही है। सेहत के शोबे के लिए तालीम के शोबे में एफडीआई लाएंगे। निजी सेक्टर के ताउन से ज़िला अस्पताल को मेडिकल कॉलेज से जोड़ने की तजवीज़। स्वच्छ भारत मिशन के लिए भी तजवीज़ लाई गई है। नई तालीमी पॉलिसी का जल्द ऐलान किया जाएगा। किसानों के लिए किसान रेल चलाने का मंसूबा है। चारे के लिए मनरेगा का इस्तेमाल किया जाएगा। मछली पालन को वसअत देने के लिए खाके तैयार किए जाएंगे।
Has always been the strength of India. Even today, young men and women have given up greener pastures elsewhere to contribute to India's growth. They are risk-taking and come up with disruptive solutions to festering challenges. Equally, established old industries are resetting themselves in a changing global and domestic situation. We recognize the knowledge, skills and risk-taking capacities and capabilities of our youth. He is no longer a job seeker. He is a creator of jobs. Now we wish to create more opportunities and remove roadblocks from this path. I propose to set up an investment clearance cell that will provide end-to-end facilitation and support, including pre-investment advisory, information related to land banks, and facilitate clearances at the center and also in the state level. It will work through a portal. There is a case for maximizing the benefits of three separately developing economic activities: the upcoming economic corridors, revitalization of manufacturing activities, and technology and the demands for aspirational classes. We have to benefit from their convergence. Hence, it is proposed to develop 5 new such smart cities in collaboration with states and in PPP mode. Such sites would be chosen that offer the best choices in terms of the aforementioned principles. India needs to manufacture networked products that will make it a part of global value chains. This in turn gets more investment and generates more employment for our youth. Electronics manufacturing industry is very competitive and India has shown its cost advantages. The potential of this industry in job creation is immense. India needs to boost domestic manufacturing and attract large investments in the electronics value chain. Here I propose a scheme focused on encouraging manufacture of mobile phones, electronic equipment, and semiconductor packaging. The details will be announced sooner.
और साथ ही साथ वज़ीर ख़ज़ाना ने निर्विक स्कीम की तजवीज़ भी बजट में पेश की है और इसके ज़रिए एक्सपोर्टर्स को नुकसान का खमियाजा और इंश्योरेंस अब आसानी से फराहम किया जा सकेगा।
From the Red Fort, our Prime Minister spoke about quality and standards when he spoke of zero defect, zero effect manufacturing. In September last year, I had called for a time-bound adoption by industry of all necessary mandatory technical standards and their effective enforcement. All ministries during the course of this year would be issuing quality standard order. So to achieve higher export credit disbursement, a new scheme, Nirvik, is being launched, which provides for higher insurance cover, reduction in premium for small exporters, and simplified procedure for claim settlements. It is proposed to digitally refund to exporters That was Nirvik. I'm coming to a different point now. It is proposed to digitally